It's actually the first time I've really actually driven this. Brakes needs a little bit of attention. There are no like little weather stripping or anything, so it's rattling like a tin can.
And no seat belts.
No seat. Well, there's seat belts. Just
Well, they're not attached.
you have to go get them.
All right, I'll turn it around so they can see where we're going.
Like my.
I thought I'd turn it around.
My crack.
Oh, why won't it let me turn it around?
Ooh, this thing handles like a brick.
It won't let me
No
flip
power
it.
steering.
Stupid iPhone.
Yeah. Not really.
Is this my e-brake?
That's your e-brake.
Where's my clutch?
Same place.
Oh, okay. Can I scoot up a little bit?
Yeah, there might be a lever down behind you.
I've got to scoot up.
Just pull it forward.
No lever.
There's a lever.
Where? Oh.
Just kind of scoot your body.
That's not it. Where's the lever?
There should be a lever right in front of you, babe. No? Right there. Never mind.
I can't get the clutch all the way in. Alright. Straight forward?
Yeah, just push it straight forward.
Is that it? I'm gonna
Guess so.
stall the
Just-
fire out of this.
Just let it kind of grab. Oh, you don't have to
Oh.
really put a whole bunch of power into it. Just kind of let it grab and then go. Straight down is 2. Just don't downshift into it.
Where's my pedals?
Oh yeah, brakes there are none. You have to hit them.
Holy crap. Oh, there's no downshifting either. Where am I going?
Just let it. You can kind of toot around. Come on.
Oh, I don't like that it doesn't have brakes.
It does. You just have to push them.
I am pushing them.
Clutch in,
Take a
clutch
right.
in. My chair's not locked into place. It kept sliding forward. Why is this thing like so zoomed in? Mind the children.
I think you should drive.
Okay.
Can I get
Pull
out?
over.
Huh?
Pull over. Stop.
Crack in the windshield.
Crack in the windshield. No top. 3 windshield wipers. Got a lot to do. But it looks a lot better than yellow,
Yeah.
as this was the color before.
Riding in style.
It actually drives pretty good. Really surprised. I'm glad I got all that old paint off. That thing was treacherous. I had to put my hand up to stop.
Yeah, hands go up to
Hand
stop.
signals.
Stop.
Ugh.
That's fun.